Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to clarify a few things about what you will see in My Grades at this point now that your first assignment has been handed back. So here we are in the course, and you'll want to go to My Grades. And remember that there are lots of ways to show and to filter the various grades that you'll see in here. One of the easiest ways to do it is to order by course order, so you can do that here, and that shows you the order in which they appear in our course according to basically to due date and so on. So you want to go to assignment 1 here, and you can always, again, just click on anything that appears. So for example, when a rubric does appear, you can see it here. But in this case, your rubric will appear under the comments. I put in here a sample rubric just to show you what you'll see. So you will see the feedback from the different categories. So there's thinking, application, and communication, as there is on each assignment. And it will show you where your achievement is based on the descriptors on the rubric and a level. So there is not a percentage calculated at this point. There are levels, okay? So for those of you who are not familiar with how that's done, this is the way in which we do it at BSS, determining the levels, and then as we move through the year, the percentages are based on sort of most recent, most consistent level of achievement over everything that you've done, okay? So once you've seen the rubric, and you should also click on the link that appears to the commentary in your YouTube video, which I mentioned earlier, you can also see these overall areas, and these will be updated as we go through the year and we add more work to each of the categories. So you will see overall thinking, overall overall application, and overall communication. There is also overall knowledge. Because it's a calculated one, it sometimes appears in a separate place. Looking for it here. This is the demo student, so things are sometimes a little out of whack with the demo student. In any case, at this point, the levels that appear here should match the levels that you see on the rubric. So if you see anything that isn't the same, please let me know. It means that I've done a data entry error in putting your marks into Blackboard. And then if you want to see what those different ranges are equivalent to, the ranges are under the assignments section. Here, there's a level equivalency chart. So this is a chart that was created by the Ministry of Education to show the levels here and what their percentage equivalencies are. You'll notice that it's a range. Again, when I talk about most recent, most consistent, I'm looking at everything in aggregate. I'm looking at all of the different categories of achievement, and I'm looking at things like your knowledge and understanding work as well when it comes to determine where in the range you seem to be most often falling, okay? The last thing that you will see here in the My Grades section is the learning skills. So I just wanted to point to that as well. This does have a rubric, so you can click on it. And you'll see the different learning skills with their explanations and the different levels of demonstration of those learning skills. On your report card, these will appear as a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, but you shouldn't confuse those with levels because it's the way that we have to enter it into our database system. They don't have these letters E, G, S, and I, although they would have that if it was on your school report card. So you can see this again should match what you see in your report card, and if you have not yet received your report card, it's important that you let me know that so that I know whether you have gotten the feedback from me on the report card in the comments or not. Okay, so if you have any questions after viewing this video and having a look at your My Grades and catching up on this information, please let me know. Thanks.